Hey there, are you ready to make money while you sleep? Imagine waking up every morning to find that your bank account has grown overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's entirely possible with passive income. Today, I'm going to show you 5 proven passive income ideas to help you get started. These methods are perfect for beginners and can be done from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or build a full-time business, these ideas will set you on the right path. Let's dive right in. First up, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to earn passive income online. It's a simple concept where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Imagine earning commissions just by promoting products online. You don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. All you need to do is find a product you love, promote it to your audience, and watch the commissions roll in. It's expected to reach $12 billion in global spending by 2024. This means there's a huge opportunity for you to tap into this growing market. The key is to choose products that align with your interests and audience. You can use platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank. These platforms offer a wide range of products to promote, making it easy to find something that fits your niche. Simple, right? Next, selling digital products. Create once, sell forever. Digital products like ebooks, templates, and online courses are scalable and cost-effective. Once you create a digital product, you can sell it an unlimited number of times without any additional effort. This makes it a perfect passive income stream. You create it once and keep earning from it. Talk about a win-win. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing sales notifications pop up on your phone while you're out enjoying your day. Now, let's talk about dividend investing. This is a strategy where you invest in stocks that pay dividends, which are regular payments made to shareholders from a company's profits. Invest in companies that pay you dividends regularly. This means you can earn a steady stream of income just by holding on to your stocks. It's like getting paid to do nothing. Start with blue-chip stocks like Apple, Coca-Cola, or Microsoft. These companies have a long history of paying dividends and are considered safe investments. Your money works for you, growing steadily over time. Moving on to print on demand. This is a business model where you sell custom-designed products without holding any inventory. You create the designs and the print-on-demand company handles the rest. Sell custom designs without holding any inventory. This means you don't have to worry about storage or shipping. It's a low-risk way to start your own online store. Platforms like Redbubble, Printify, and Printful make it easy to start. You can design a t-shirt, mug, or any other product, and they handle the printing and shipping for you. Design a t-shirt or a mug, and they handle the rest. Easy peasy. Finally, real estate crowdfunding. This is a way to invest in real estate projects with small amounts of money. Invest small amounts in real estate projects through crowdfunding platforms. This allows you to diversify your investments and reduce risk. Explore Fundrise or Realty Mogul to get started. These platforms allow you to invest in a variety of real estate projects, from residential properties to commercial buildings. Imagine owning a piece of rental property without the hassle of managing it. You can earn rental income and benefit from property appreciation without any of the headaches of being a landlord. So what are you waiting for? These passive income ideas are a great way to start building your financial future. The sooner you start, the sooner you can enjoy the benefits. Start building your passive income today and achieve your financial goals. Remember, consistency is key. Keep working on your passive income streams, and you'll see results over time. Like, subscribe, and share for more money-making tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Until next time, keep hustling. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step today and keep pushing forward.